7 days, 7 Lego sets, each one getting bigger. But there's a twist. I'm building every set with insane challenges, like building inside a bag, building with tied hands, building without instruction book and much more. So watch till the end and let the challenge begin. On day 1 we have this Lego Harry Potter 30677 poly bag. It comes with 33 pieces. For this set the challenge is to build it inside the bag. We already opened this set, so I'm transferring all the pieces into this plastic bag. Alright, all the pieces are inside. Let's start building our first set. Look at that, the minifigure is complete. Now let's finish the rest of the build. And success, we are officially done. This set took 20 minutes of my life. Here is the final build. It comes with a Draco Malfoy minifigure holding a lantern and a wand. He is walking through the forest, then a spider attacks. It also included an owl, a spider and this small build. Day 1 is complete. Now let's move on to our next set. On day 2 we have the Lego Minecraft Villager Desert Patrol with 105 pieces. Let's open it up. For today's challenge I am building the entire set without the instructions. Here are all the pieces. Let's see if I can complete the challenge. At first I was really confused, but somehow I managed to build it. And here is the final result. We got this build with an arrow shooter that can actually fire arrows, plus a cactus and a barrel filled with loot. This set comes with 3 villagers, a pillager captain with a regular crossbow, a pillager with an enchanted crossbow and a vindicator holding an iron axe. To defend the base we get this cactus knight with diamond armor, a sword and a shield, and his skin under the armor looks really cool. Day 2 complete. Now let's move on to the next set. On day 3 we got this Lego Creator London set. Let's open it up. For today's challenge my hands are tied, literally.
2,000 years later.
Alright, I finally managed to trap my hands together. So let's start building. The set is complete, but somehow I couldn't record the full build this time, but here is the final result. In this set we get Big Ben with the United Kingdom flag, a movie theater with some stickers on it, a Ferris wheel and a double-decker bus. We also get this London sticker on a white plate, and there are more Lego Creator sets just like this one. Day 3 is done. Now let's move on to the next set. On day 4 we have the Lego Minecraft Cherry Blossom Garden, and for this set I will got a crazy challenge. I am building it in reverse. Let me show you what I mean. I am starting from the very end of the build and working all the way to the beginning.
A few moments later.
And our build is now complete. This set comes with a beautiful cherry blossom garden featuring the new cherry blossom trees. We also get one sniffer, a baby sniffer and a sniffer egg plus 2 bees. There are also a regular zombie minifigure that attacks the garden. But don't worry, the farmer steps in to protect it and takes down the zombie. The set includes a farmer minifigure with a metal arm and an iron hoe. You can even make the sniffer sniff by pressing here. We also get this really cool pot with a skeleton and heart print on it, along with 2 new flowers. If you like this set, make sure to subscribe. On day 5 we have this Lego City Stunt set with 170 pieces, and it comes with 2 instruction books. For today's challenge I have to say the name of every brick before I place it. For example, this is a 6x8 green plate. I am attaching 2x2 orange brick. Now I am adding another 2x2 orange brick. Alright, here are the pieces we need. Let's start building our 5th set. By the way, my voice sounds like a mouse. This set comes with 2 minifigures, one holding a baseball bat and another with a tool. We also got this big spider with huge legs, plus a tiny spider. Here is a yellow motorbike and a punching bag for practice. We get 3 different builds. The rider can jump the bike, and if he fails, he falls straight into the spider cage and becomes the spider's victim. If he fails again, he smashes into the wall. You can even modify this set to make the stunts more difficult and way more intense. Day 5 is done. Now let's move on to day 6. On day 6, we have this Lego Minecraft movie set with 491 pieces. Let's open it up. For today's challenge, things get insane. I have to build the entire set using only this brick separator. If I touch any Lego piece with my hands, I am out. Alright, this is how we are doing the challenge. Oh no, I accidentally attached the brick separator to Steve's torso. Now it's stuck. If I touch it, I lose. And yeah, technically I just lost the challenge. But here is the finished build. This set comes with 4 minifigures, a baby zombie handy with an enchanted axe, Steve and Garrett. We also get this Hulk figure with movable hands, head, legs and even fingers. Plus there is a chicken jockey too. Over here we got a build with an iron axe in an item frame, a chest filled with loot including 4 potion bottles, and a balcony where you can watch the fight. There is also a weapon stand with a netherite sword and an iron axe, and of course the fighting ring where all the action happens. Alright, let's start the fight. Chicken Jockey versus Garrett. He is looking scared. Round 1, fight. Garrett is out. Round 2, fight. Again Garrett is out. Round 3, fight. Chicken Jockey wins. But wait, the Great Hog has been watching everything.
Hey you, come here.
On day 7, we have the LEGO Minecraft 21256, the Frog House. I already built this one, so there is no challenge today. Here's the final set. This set comes with a minifigure holding a diamond sword and a fishing rod. We also get one zombie and one drowned. The drowned comes with a trident. There are 3 frogs in this set, and this green one is actually rare because it only appears in one set. We also get a small slime cube. Over here, there is a boat where minifigure can sit. And we got the frog eggs right here. There is a fishing area over here. Nearby we got some crops. And one of the frog is just chilling on the lily pad. On the outside you can see these birch fences. And we can open the gate. Inside the house there is a blue bed, a table with a cake and a potion bottle, plus a furnace, a crafting table and a chest with slime inside. And that's it, our 7 days are complete. Now let's bring all the sets together. Here are all the 7 builds made from around 1800 bricks. Here are all the minifigures. And over here are all the animals. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.